Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Harris and I'm with Purdue Extension in Spencer County, and this video will be all about fossils. We're going to talk about what fossils are, how they're formed, and where you can find fossils. And then I will link a few different experiments that you can do at home to try to make your own fossils. Basically, fossils are the well-preserved remains of ancient life. They can be millions and even billions of years old. When most people think about fossils, they think about dinosaur bones like the picture on the right. But fossils can also be plant life and even billion-year-old bacteria. By using a microscope, scientists were able to identify this fossilized bacteria that they estimate is over 3.5 billion years old. In order to become a fossil, an organism has to go through a few specific steps after it dies. In order to achieve fossilization, a dead organism needs to be buried under many layers of rock and sediment. Once it is buried, the minerals within the sediment can replace a lot of the harder parts within the organism. And that's why you will usually see the skeletal remains of fossils, because the minerals like to latch on to the harder parts of the dead organism. To achieve fossilization, it's not enough just to be buried. A dead organism needs to be buried under the right conditions. That's why a lot of the fossils found today were preserved by the sea floor, where ancient bodies of water used to be, or in places like tar pits. Once a dead organism is buried under the right conditions, all there is left to do is wait. After several thousand years, fossilization will occur, and these fossils will last for up to billions of years, as we saw with the bacteria. This helpful chart shows the entire process of fossilization. On the left, it starts with the dead organism being buried underneath the sea floor, and on the right, it shows a paleontologist discovering the fossil. Paleontologists are special scientists that excavate the ground and dig for fossils. As I mentioned earlier, paleontologists need to look for fossils under specific places such as tar pits or where vast bodies of water used to be. In the picture on the right, you can see a large dig site in which paleontologists are looking for fossils. Paleontologists can learn a lot from discovering fossils, and not just about the dead organisms themselves, but about the environment around those organisms. For example, in the landlocked state of Utah, a giant shark fossil was found, which means that millions of years ago, much of North America was covered by a large body of water. Now that you've learned about what fossils are and how they're formed, you can make your own at home. I linked 2 different fossil experiment videos in the description that you can use to make your very own fossil recreations. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.